put a $50 bill in here. Max bet's $4. Because at the bank, they ran out of hundreds. I had to give me 50s. And they don't work in most machines. So I got a bonus on here. So I got, what do I got?
It's time for the bonus.
15 free games. This is my third game. Yeah, I went over to Steak and Rich and won $60 on my first spin. Took the money around. Come on, baby. Oh man, these freaking chairs suck. Got a Blue Street Trigger. They need all of them Cleopatras. Get all of them across. That's huge. Them are the top symbols. Still the brushes, whatever. I don't know what the hell I am. So I got my money back. Yeah, I'd like to play this once in a while. It's fun. Why is the music getting faster? What, I'm almost out of games? Only Street Trader or something. Got 4 more games though. Come on, baby. Load up. Lock them up. Line them up. Whatever. Hey me. Really? Oh no. Wow. Lucky last spin. Well, I got my money back. Yeah, the $50 bills don't work in half these machines. They never did.
Enjoy your rewards.
That's about what I won yesterday on this stupid game. Oh, so I have, how much? Nah, that's not very big. Oh, I got $70. I'm gonna cash out. There's a magic button. When in doubt, cash it out. Yeah, having a blast. Still in the morning. There you go. Only 17 after 8 in the morning. So, alright, on to the next one.